In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Agile sprint boards in ClickUp. We'll start by opening ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and signing in so everything syncs properly across devices. Once you're in, we'll create a dedicated Agile workspace to keep your projects organized and your sprints easy to manage. Head to Spaces and choose Add Space. Name it Agile Projects so it's clear what lives here. Before you finish, make sure lists are enabled. Lists are the backbone of this setup. They let you group sprint items in a way that's simple to plan, execute, and review. Inside this new space, create two folders to represent the work streams you want to manage. We'll call them Project A and Project B. Separating projects like this keeps tasks focused and reporting cleaner. Now, within each folder, set up 3 lists to mirror your sprint workflow. Create a backlog list where you'll collect all tasks and user stories. Create a current sprint list for the items you've committed to right now. And create a completed list to hold everything that's finished. This structure gives you a clear pipeline from idea to done, and it makes sprint review straightforward. Quick note before we continue. If you need the ClickUp desktop app or want to access it on the web, you'll find the download link and website link at the top of the description. Grab it there so you're using the same setup shown in this walkthrough. Next, start adding tasks for each sprint item. Keep them concise and action-based. For example, implement login authentication, design dashboard UI, fix API bug, and write unit tests. Each task should represent a single piece of work that can move through your sprint without getting stuck. To track progress clearly, add useful fields to your tasks. Priority helps you focus on what matters most. Assignee clarifies ownership, due date keeps the team aligned with sprint timelines, and status shows where each task stands at a glance. For statuses, use ClickUp's default flow: to do, in progress, and completed. It's simple, consistent, and perfect for Agile teams that want to move fast without overcomplicating things. As your sprint runs, monitor progress using board view if you prefer a Kanban-style visual, or switch to list view for a compact sortable overview. Both views help you spot bottlenecks, balance workloads, and highlight what's ready to ship. That's it. Your ClickUp sprint boards are set up for Agile workflows, making it easy to plan, execute, and monitor your sprints efficiently. Thanks for watching.